So today we will do 19th B exercise. In this exercise, we will do the question based on median. So in order to find the median, you have to remember two formulas. Two formulas you have to remember. First formula to find median is n plus 1 upon 2 th term. First formula to find the median is n plus 1 upon 2 th term. This formula you have to use if you are having odd number of terms. That means if value of n will be 3, that means odd number 3 होगी, 5 होगी, 7 होगी. If number of digits are odd, then we have to use this formula to calculate the median. Another formula for even number of terms. If number of terms in the question are even, then which formula you have to use? You have to use median is equal to half bracket n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term. These are the two formulas to calculate the median. Median for odd number of terms is n plus 1 upon 2 th term, and median for even number of terms half bracket n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term. So these are the two formulas. Now we will solve the question with the help of these two formulas. See question number first. First question. Find the median of first part. Here numbers are given. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number of terms are given. So first of all we will write n value. N is 9. Number of terms are given 9. That means 9 is odd number. Now next step. In order to write the median, first of all we have to arrange all the number in the ascending order. Here we will write heading in ascending order. In order to write these number in ascending order, first of all we have to write the smallest number. Which one is the smallest here? 16. But 16 is coming 2 times in the number. So you have to write it 2 times only. If it is given 2 times, you have to write both 16. 2 times you will write 16, 19, after 19, 25, then 26, then 28, 31, 32, 35. Now we will note whether here we had written all the 9 terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had written 9. Now these all numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now next step, we have to use the formula to calculate median. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 th term. This is the formula if number of terms are odd. So here we are using median formula for odd number of terms, n plus 1 upon 2 th term. Now we have to put the value of n. N value is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2 th term. Now 9 plus 1 will become 10 upon 2 th term. We will cancel these two numbers. We will get 5th term. 5th term, now you have to check in the ascending order numbers. Which one is 5th number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th number. So median value is 26. So final answer of first part is 26. So like this you have to do part number first. Now first question, third part. Part number third. Here also number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In third part, number of terms are given 10. So first of all, we will write 10 value. N is 10 and 10 is the even number. Number of terms are 10 and 10 is even number. Now next step is we have to write these numbers in the ascending order. So here we will write in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all we will write smaller number. Which one is smallest? Here 9 is the smallest. Then 14, 17, 21. After 21, 25. Then 34, 43, 50. 50 is coming 2 times, so we have to write 2 times. Then 63. Now we will count whether we have written 10 terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we had written 10. All the 10 terms we had written. Now we will use the formula of median for even number of terms. So what is the formula for even number of terms? Median is half bracket, then small bracket n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term. This is the formula for even numbers of terms. Now we will put the value of n, half as it is. N value is 10. So here we will put 10 upon 2 th term plus n value is 10. So 10 upon 2 plus 1 th term. Now we will cancel these two. 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10. So here we will get half bracket fifth number, fifth term plus 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 will become sixth term. Now we will search fifth and sixth number in ascending order. What is the fifth number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth is 25 plus sixth is 34. We will add these two in bracket and outside we will take half. So on solving it we will get half into 25 plus 34. Answer will be 59. On dividing it with 2 we will get 29.5. So final answer of this third part is 29.5. So like this you have to do third part. Now all of you see question number second. Second question देखिए. The following data have been arranged in the ascending order. So in question he said these all numbers are already arranged in the ascending order. ये पहले से ही arrange हुए हैं. No need to rearrange them. Okay. So first of all we will write in ascending order. In ascending order we will write first. These all numbers are already arranged. So we will write as it is 34, 37, 53, 55, x, then x plus 2, 77, 83, 89, 100. So these are the numbers which are already arranged in the ascending order. It is given in the question. Now we will count how many terms are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of terms n are 10. 10 is even. After that it is given in the question. If their median is 63, find the value of x. Median is given. Median is 63. Median answer is given 63. On the left hand side we will use the formula of median for even number of terms. मीडियन फॉर्मूला हाफ ब्रैकेट n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term. In the right hand side, after equal to, what is written 63, so we will write as it is. Now half bracket n value we will put 10 upon 2 plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 th term is equal to 63. Now these two will get cancelled, these two also. Now we will get half bracket fifth number plus sixth number equal 63. Now in the ascending order series we will check which one is fifth and which number is sixth. Fifth है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth number. So here we will write x plus sixth number is x plus 2. Half we have to write as it is equal 60. Now next step, x plus x will become 2x. So here we will get 2x plus 2. Half bracket 2x plus 2 is equal to 63. Now this 2 is in divide. This divide 2 we will bring on right hand side, so this will become multiply 63. So here we will get 2x plus 2 is equal to 63, and this 2 will come in multiply. So here we will get 63 multiplied 2. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 126. 2x 126 minus 2. So 2x is equal to 124. So final answer of x is 62. So this is your final answer of x. Question number second. So like this you have to do question number second. Now all of you see question number third. Third question. In 10 numbers arranged in the increasing order, the 7th number is increased by 8. So total number of terms are given in the question. Total numbers are 10. That means n value is 10 and 10 is the even number. So he said out of 10 numbers we had increased the 7th number by 8. 7th number आपने क्या कर दिया? Increase कर दिया है by 8. So we are changing the 7th number. How much will the median be changed? Question में बोला है median कितना change होगा? So first of all what you have to do, आप median का formula है. Okay. So first of all what we will do, for n value 10 we will find the median. Median find करेंगे. Median for even number of terms का formula half n upon 2 th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 th term. This is the formula to find the median of even numbers of terms. Now we will put the value of n. Half n value is 10. 10 upon 2 th term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 th term. Now we will cancel these two. So on solving these brackets we will get half bracket fifth plus sixth term. So here we got the median. Median is half bracket fifth plus sixth. Now median value, in order to find the value of median, we need fifth number and sixth number. आपको fifth number की जरूरत है और sixth number की जरूरत है. And in question he said seventh number is increased by 8. आपने सेवंथ वाले नंबर को 8 बढ़ा दिया है. तो सेवंथ वाला नंबर जब आप बढ़ा देंगे तो वो हो सकता है सेवंथ पोजीशन से 8th पोजीशन पे आ जाए. इंक्रीज करने का मतलब क्या है? उसकी 7th प्लेस से चेंज होकर जब हम वैल्यू इंक्रीज करेंगे तो वो हो सकता है 8th नंबर पर आ जाए. बट मीडियन की जो वैल्यू है दैट वैल्यू डिपेंड ऑन फिफ्थ टर्म एंड सिक्स्थ टर्म, और हम चेंज किस में कर रहे हैं, सेवंथ में। तो सेवंथ में चेंज करने से मीडियन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मीडियन की वैल्यू फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ नंबर पे डिपेंड कर रही है, ना कि सेवंथ वाले नंबर पे। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू राइट मीडियन वैल्यू डिपेंडिंग ऑन फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ टर्म। मीडियन की वैल्यू डिपेंड कर रही है फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ टर्म पे, सो मीडियन विल रिमेन सेम। इसलिए मीडियन जो है वो सेम रहेगा, क्योंकि हम जो चेंज कर रहे हैं वो सेवंथ वाले में चेंज कर रहे हैं, और मीडियन फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ टर्म पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, सेवंथ पे नहीं कर रहा। सो मीडियन की वैल्यू सेम रहेगी। सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड। Now all of you see question number fourth question. Fourth question is, out of 10 students, so total number of students are 10, so we will write n is 10, and what is 10? 10 is the even number. Out of 10 students who appeared in the test, 3 got less than 30 marks, 3 got more than 75 marks, and remaining 4 get 35, 48, 66 and 40. So first of all we will write these marks in the ascending order. First of all we will write in ascending order. So सबसे लेस मार्क्स जो आए हैं वो हैं 3 स्टूडेंट्स के जिनके लेस देन 30 है। So first of all we will write 3 students got less than 30. First student, second also, third also. So first 3 students got less than 30. इससे ज्यादा मार्क्स कितने हैं, 35, 35 से ज्यादा है 48, 48 से ज्यादा 66, 44 है, 44, 48, 40, 35, 40, 48, 66. So in ascending order we are writing, first student got less than 30, second one also get less than 30, third को भी less than 30 marks मिले, इससे ज्यादा है 35, फिर 40, 48, फिर 66, और कितने स्टूडेंट्स हो गए ये, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 स्टूडेंट्स हो गए। टोटल स्टूडेंट्स है 10, 3 आर रिमेनिंग, वो 3 जो हैं उनके हैं मोर देन 75। सो रिमेनिंग 3 में मोर देन 75 तीनों के, मोर देन 75, और लास्ट वाले के भी मोर देन 75. So here we had written all the marks of 10 students. सबके 10 students के marks लिखते हैं ascending order में. Now find the median score. आपको जो find करना है वो find करना है median score. So median score formula we will use. Median for even number of terms we will use half bracket n upon 2 dx term n upon 2 plus 1 dx term. After putting the value of n 10 और उसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपका यहाँ पर सॉल्व करके आंसर आएगा 5th प्लस 6th टर्म। जब आप इसमें n की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और उसे कट करेंगे देन यू विल गेट 5th नंबर प्लस 6th नंबर। नाउ हाफ 5th नंबर यू हैव टू चेक इन दिस असेंडिंग ऑर्डर सीरीज 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5th and this is 6th. So here we will write 40 plus 48. Now half into 40 plus 48 will become 88. On cancelling these two, we will get 44. So median score of all the 10 students is 44. So like this you have to do question number 4th. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair notebook And 19C exercise is the revision exercise. So you will get the question which you had done already in 19A and 19B. So this is the revision exercise. All of you solve this exercise by yourself. In case if you are having any doubt, then I will explain you afterward. Okay? So now complete this exercise.